two HP icons face off in 2025, NV13 and Spectre x360 13. Which one really delivers? On one side, the HP NV13, premium value with plenty of power and portability. On the other, the HP Spectre x360 13, ultra-premium design, high versatility, and cutting-edge style. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what actually matters. Each category racks up points, so by the end, you'll know exactly which laptop comes out ahead, and the result might surprise you.
Here's the roadmap for today.
Quick, mind map style. We're comparing these two legends across price and value, performance, display, battery life, ports and connectivity, security and biometrics, design and build, and of course, gaming and graphics. Pretty much everything that matters for a laptop in 2025.
Okay, kicking things off with price and value.
So the HP NV13 is seriously budget-friendly for what you're getting. We're talking a strong performance at a price that honestly makes you do a double take. Perfect for students, or just anyone who wants a solid laptop without dropping a fortune. Now, the Spectre x360 13, yep, it costs a lot more. Mostly because, well, it's packing all those high-end features and that ultra-premium vibe. But do you really need every bell and whistle? If price is a priority, the NV takes this round, hands down.
Jumping over to performance, both of these guys perform like really well.
The NV rocks strong CPUs and powers through work. Streaming, it'll even handle some light gaming without breaking a sweat. Spectre x360 13, though, it's got some newer multi-core CPUs that are slightly better for heavy multitasking. But, and this is big, they're actually pretty much tied when it comes to your everyday stuff. So yeah, call it a draw here.
Now let's talk display. Because, let's face it, that screen is where your eyes are living all day.
The NV13 has a sharp, full HD panel. And if you spec it right, it even goes crazy bright. But that's nothing compared to the Spectre x360 13. This thing can go up to a 4K OLED touchscreen. It's brighter, super vibrant, and honestly, it just looks stunning. But yeah, as cool as that is, you might burn through battery faster at those high settings. This round, Spectre x360 13 totally steals the show.
Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know both the NV13 and the Spectre x360 13 come with Bang & Olufsen speakers?
Yeah, legit audiophile grade sound on a thin and light. Not bad, HP.
How about battery life?
Okay, the NV13 has really got this figured out. We're talking up to 17 hours on Intel versions. Not even kidding. And it keeps up in real life too, especially for normal on-the-go use. The Spectre x360 13, decent, like 8 to 12 hours. But once you crank up that 4K or OLED, watch that battery drop. If you need your laptop living off the charger, Envy's got the edge. Ports and connectivity time. So the NV13's got the basics. USB-A, USB-C, even a micro SD slot. Not bad, right? But, no Thunderbolt 3. So, yeah, that might be a deal breaker for some. Spectre x360 13, though? All the modern goodness. Thunderbolt 3, and it still keeps some legacy ports. If you want future-proof ports, Spectre wins here. Easy. All right. Security and biometrics. The NV13 does a good job. Fingerprint reader as standard. It's solid, but not super futuristic. Now, the Spectre x360 13 just flexes here. You get Windows Hello facial recognition and a fingerprint reader. It's just more advanced and, honestly, kind of fun to use. So, if you're into all the fancy security stuff, Spectre is the clear winner. Let's chat about design and build. The NV13 looks premium, feels sturdy, and it's light. Definitely checks all the boxes. But the Spectre x360 13, wow. We're talking gem-cut edges, ultra-thin, just eye-catching in that show-off way. Plus, it's a two-in-one, so you can flip it around as a tablet. You definitely pay extra for these looks, but if style matters to you, you already know who wins here. Finally, gaming and graphics. So, the NV13 can be spec'd with an MX450 GPU, something you almost never see on small laptops. That means slightly better frame rates for casual gaming, and stuff like Rocket League or Sims. Not high-end AAA, but still. The Spectre x360 13 sticks to integrated graphics. It does just fine with lighter games, but don't expect a gaming powerhouse. So yeah, NV13 slides ahead if you want that tiny bit more game performance. On our radar chart, you'll see just how close these two really are. The NV13 pulls ahead for value, battery, and casual gaming, while the Spectre x360 13 takes the lead in display, ports, security, and especially design. It's a real tug of war in pretty much every category.
So honestly, if you want the best value and you need a dependable all-rounder, the HP NV13 is where it's at. Long battery, solid performance, and you keep your wallet happy. But if you're about that ultra-premium life, crave a jaw-dropping screen,
and want all those next-level features, go for the HP Spectre x360 13. Either way, you can't really go wrong. But hey, now you know what you're paying for. All right, if this helped you out, stick around for more ultimate laptop face-offs. And if you're still deciding, don't sweat it. We've got even more guides to help you find the perfect one